Joe from Motion Pro here, and we're going to talk about the Pro funnel. This isn't your average funnel. This is a uniquely designed product for the power sports industry. Starting at the top, it's got a resealable lid, which is great for storage and in use, keep the contaminants out. Nice sturdy handle, makes it easy to maneuver around the shop. The feature I like a lot is the magnet. It allows me to store this in my shop very easily. Also gives me a sturdy place to put it. Now don't put it on painted surfaces, but I'm going to paint this one. So this guy's got cc's on the side and fluid ounces. You can also do your fuel ratio mixtures through it. On and off valve, makes it easy to meter specific amounts of fluid in a slow rate as needed. Pivot spout, so if you got to get around tight places like exhaust systems and things, this is handy. Well, that was just a quick little rundown of this funnel here, and like we all know, there's 1,000,001 uses for a funnel around your house. You know, it doesn't matter what you're working on. It could be your motorcycle, it could be your car, it could be your boat. This is handy with all power sports applications. Check this out at motionpro.com, your local power sports dealer or your favorite online retailer for this and other great Motion Pro products. Please circle back and check us out in the near future. More videos are coming soon. Thanks again and have a great day.